Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and these are the DuraTherm door liners installed in our 2016 RAM ProMaster City. These liners have really a dual benefit. The primary benefit of these liners is they protect the vehicle. So these cover over the sheet metal that's back here to prevent it from being chipped or scratched or dented as you're using your work van for work. So if you're loading in lumber or supplies or equipment and you accidentally nick the sheet metal, you're talking about a dent on the exterior of the van, maybe some paint being chipped, as well as corrosion, rust, all of those things that can happen. Now the secondary benefit of the liners is there's a layer of insulation behind the plastic, and what this does is it helps cut down on road noise and control the temperature in the back of the van. You know, cargo vans do not have insulation or any paneling in the back, it's just sheet metal, and so it can get hot or cold back here, as well as just be really loud as you're driving down the road. So these help control the temperatures and the road noise in the van. Now the door liners are sold as just the panels that cover over essentially where glass would be. A lot of times if you have glass on the side doors or on the rear doors, you won't get these door liners because you have this plastic trim from the factory over the bottom part of the door, and the Legend liner just covers essentially where the glass would be. On our particular RAM ProMaster City, we have the glass deleted on the side doors, but we have the glass in the back doors. Now installation is pretty straightforward. These liners are cut to match the contour of the door. We did have to do a little bit of trimming here around this handle, but other than that, we're just attaching it using self-threading screws that are included in the kit. And there's little plastic screw cap covers that just make it a nice finish in the back of the van. Now the liners are available in two colors. You can either get a textured gray, which is this gray color we have here that has a little bit of texture finish on the top of it, or you can get it in a white, which is just more of a flat, doesn't have this texture on top of it. Now if you're looking for these liners or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.